open it 1/3. And then the first one, you see, it's almost like an L sideways, and then I have to adjust it lower because the size of the thing it doesn't require. If you lift up the thing, then you have to do it very large. So now you see, you put down. And then you continue. And then the second one, you have to do you have to get some ink sometime. Now this time is you pull it up sideways. And this one, you go like this. The fourth one, you have to see, oh, you have to go down. The fifth one is up here. And then you learn to use this one. This one is used all the time. Slow down on that, otherwise you won't get that shape. And then we have the diagonal this way, over here. You go down like that. And then you go see round end, you just don't drag it up. Now this is the horizontal one coming up. Now let it slow down a little bit. See, you get it. You hold it there, and then it will add. Now that's easy. The one is the sometimes it's thinking easy, but it's not. Pull it up, and then you will have all that thing. So when you go to the next page, whenever you have a word to 用字的 for instance, that one is. Do I have a second page? Yeah. I think I gave you a second page, right? Yeah, 永字那个。Don't you have the extra one?
No, I have this one too.
You have extra. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to write that one. Now, you see this is 楷书 fundamental. This is called 楷书 正楷. Then when you have to 永字 huh? And up here, down here, down here, and come down here. The ink is too thin, a little bit, so the paper will actually getting a wider one. If you have thicker ink, that means you have to grind it longer. Because if it's too thin, it doesn't. If you can bring it up, you can see that there's a whole line hanging there. Then it will not spread For instance, this thing is got bigger than the originally contact of the paper. Or else I took it too long. If I shorten 1/10 of a second, then it would be smaller. So that's all you have to learn, how to adjust time, pressure, center of gravity. This word is perfect in line like that. But you have to, if you have to write a letter, continue, have 4 vertical ones, then you have to make sure that the next one is lining up with this side. The paper did not absorb all of it. Look at this. You see, you got the same?
Prettier.
Put it under the camera.
Where's the camera?
Right there.
Right.
Behind you.
Perfect. You can see right behind.
Behind you.
Oh, okay. Now I want you to try that 10. So see how many.
Would you demonstrate?
I'm gonna come around.
Would you demonstrate how you
Before
write
guys
that?
get started practicing.
Just demonstrate how you write that.
Just to wash off your brush, but I think the brushes, they're all new, but they're all on the harder side, so you can just apply it first and then use those extra water and then dip it into.
Wait, what do we do with the water?
Use it to loosen the brush.
So you guys wanna,
The 1 to 3 water.
Yeah, not as good anymore.
and then just use up the extra water.
See, I should be up a little bit before I come down. That's not so easy. Even a dark room do better than this.